Hello, this is video about building 2D ARPG games in 1 week. And in the last episode, I have made the animation for the player and the enemy. So I want to make one corrections about the animation and the animations. We have time setting the timer in here. It is not correct. It is setting there. Here it is will be more correct. So I set it to 0.6, so it is animating more correctly, beautifully. All right. Now, what I want to do is for the player, I want to add its life value HP. It goes 18. And for the enemy, I also want add the HP. So I want the HP for the enemy, it's lower, 10. Okay. So I think I need to make it export. Good. Now, what I want to do is I want to add a thing which is called the go HitBox and the get HurtBox. What it will do is it will identify where the character get hit or go to hit. Okay, that is how I can explain it. So for the I will first start with go HitBox. So it is very obvious what it means. Go HitBox. The go HitBox, it is go to hit something. All right, it is aggressor. So I will save it to its own file. What I call it is utility file. Okay, this is go HitBox, and I will get another one. This is get area 2D, and I will rename it to get HurtBox. Okay, get HurtBox. This is go HitBox, and also I will save it to the utility. Okay. Now for the HitBox, I will add collision. And I will add a timer. and I will also add a script for the Go HitBox, and what I will do is I will call it export over damage, see it is 1, and for the get HurtBox I also will add collision and also add a timer. Good. For the get HurtBox, what I will do is add a script for get HurtBox, and then I will have a export, and it will be in num, and call it cooldown, and hit once, and disable HitBox. Type equals 0. And I will also get a signal, call it hurt and damage, and also will get a signal, and once this get HurtBox is entered by this Go HitBox, I will connect it, and on this area if area, this is the area, right? Get HurtBox is the area type of thing. What the area type of thing is, it does is it detects collision and do not react to it, like do not physically react to it. I guess so. It is like logical. So here if area is in group of attack, if we get a attack, so what we do is go to get HitBox, Go HitBox, and make the Go HitBox into group of attack. Okay, so if it's collide with that, and we will also check if not area get damage, because no, if they are half damage, then match HurtBox type is, here we know the HurtBox type, right? For here I made the HurtBox type is 0, so cooldown is 0, hit once is 1, disable hitbox is 2. So when it is matching 0, that means it is cooldown, and what it will do is, oh, I need to get a collision here. So on ready variable collision equals, here I will get reference for collision 2D, okay, and get another ready one, disable timer. I will call this timer, rename it to disable timer, and set this timer wait time to 0.5 seconds. Refresh it again, okay? So disable timer, and I will get reference set disable timer, okay. For the cooldown collision, I have referenced that. I will call deferred, will set disabled, and it is true. So when it was cooldown, we will make the get HurtBox disabled, and the disabled timer will start counting. All right. When it is 1, that is hit once. Hit once. I will not do that here because it's need other layers to make that happen. And for the, I will do it later, okay? For the second, it is disable hitbox if area has message. If this area has a message temp disable, it will call that. So what it will do is it is trying to know if the Go hitbox have the temp disable function. If it has, then it will fire that, make that run. Okay, variable damage equals area damage, and it will emit signal hurt damage. Okay, And also I will make another signal for the timer signal, timeout signal. What the signal mean is it is a function that can be called in other places. On disable timer out, we'll call collision, and I will call deferred, and it will make it set, and look at the disabled area and flip that to false, so it make it undisabled. Okay, so I will go to the HitBox, and now already I will make a function. Here I said I need if it has the function called temp disabled, so I will make a function here, temp disable, right? Not disabled, okay, disable, and make this function. I need to reference to this collision. Already, variable collision equals $, collision disabled. Okay, and already variable disable timer goes. I will call it disable HitBox timer. Disable HitBox timer. Okay, now I get the reference of collision, and it will call the called deferred. It will set disable to true. If it was called, it will make this disabled, and the disabled timer will start counting. And for the I will get a signal on timeout timers. When timeout, we'll make the go HitBox. I will just copy this and paste here and flip it again to false, so it will become not disabled. Now I got get HurtBoxs and go HitBox. It's one receive, one does damage. For the player, it only needs get HurtBox. Why? because the player won't attack with the player's body. It will use skills to attack. So for here, we only need to place a get hurt box on the player. For the enemy need to have the get hurt box. It will receive on its body, and also have the go hitbox. The enemy won't have the skills to attack. It will only attack when it was on the player. And then I will make edible children. Okay, I forgot this. Need to save the scene. So save the scene. Now I got this editable children, and also here edible children. Okay, now I need to do one thing. Project settings, general. I need to find 2D physics. First layer will be world. Second will be player. Third will be enemy. Fourth will be loot. And for the player, (2D). I will need to get HurtBox. Will be triangle. I want to first not see that, and I want to make the get HurtBox as small as possible. So I will try to give the most advantage to the player. Okay, now reasonable. Perfect. Now for the enemy, and I want to get it to have get HurtBox. For the enemy, its get HurtBox will be quite large, because I want the player have as many advantage as possible, so when player play, they can feel it is fair. Alright, and for the go hitbox, I will make it smaller for the enemy. Because I don't want to make the enemy too sneaky on the attack. Alright, now got that, got it going. Now I can play it. One thing you need to know is for the player, collision, yes. For the player, the get hurt box should be, it is receiving, right? So it will be on mask. And for the enemy, get hurt box collision will be on enemy masks, and go hitbox will be on collisions enemies layer. Good. Now on debug, I will say visible collision shape, and then now I can know what it is happening. Why? Good. Now here we have a little bit mismatch. Get hitbox. Go hitbox is too small. Little bit larger than that. Okay. The player, get hitbox is too inside of that. Little bit larger. Now then it can work. Okay. On the enemy, I need to do something. On the player, I need to have a function func node signal. funk, home, hurt, box, hurt, damage, HP will be drop. I want to print it. And for the enemy is, I also want a function on hurt box, hurt, get damage, HP will minus and damage. If HP is less or equal 0, Q will be free, then the enemy will be destroyed. Good. Now, let's see. Player enemies go hitbox will be on player, not itself. Get HurtBoxs is on itself. Okay, that is one problem there. All right. Now, now. Want to see what is working, what is not. Now I see. Okay. see it again. So that is for now. I will see other bugs and try to correct it in the next one. And also in the next one, I will add a more enemies spawner. It will be more enemies, more than this one. So we will see.